So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I will tell you about a switch which can control your speed limit or your power if your motor is kind of bigger in watts. So my one is 250 watts, but though it doesn't matters. Today we will talk about a speed limiter switch. So it is in the low mode, so it is going till 32. Now it is going till 42. So let me show you the switch. So this is our accelerator switch. This I have taken from an electric vehicle and which was having this switch. So the R and F is for R is for race acceleration and F is for faster top speed. Actually it is for reverse and front. So how you can do it? So let me tell you. So first of all you will be needing a switch, and a switch has two wires. So you need to connect that two wires to your controller's white two wires. There is no negative positive, just connect that two wires to your white wires, and you will be needing a extension wire. That's why I am telling you. So if you are using this, then how the wiring will be, let me tell it to you. So you can see over here, wait a minute, here are two yellow wires and two red wires. This, wait a minute, let me show it to you more properly. So you can see this yellow wire, sorry, this yellow wire, and wait a minute, this yellow wire. These two yellow wires are connected to the red wires. These red wires are the extension for the switch, and from here you can see this red wire going till, wait a minute. So from here it will come till down. Then you need to open this panel, and then you can see two wires coming from there. Obviously you need to take them till the end, and then over here these wires are coming. I have painted them black because they were looking kind of odd, and if the wire is big you can do tape on this side like I have done. Wait a minute. Yes, over here, like how I have done the taping. I think you all can't see it, but let me show you the main things. Wait a minute. So first of all you can see these two wires. So here is a gap between the suspension and the controller box. So there is a little bit of gap, you can put them easily from there. The MCB wires also goes from there, but the MCB wires in my one, it is going from the upper side, that's why you can't see the MCB wires, but in your one it would be. So you need to put it from here, or you can see this gap, you can put it from here also. As your opinion, you can put it from anywhere which is having gap, or on the side also you can see there is a gap, but still there is a keyhole, that's why I have not put it there. So let me show it to you where I have put it. So let me open my boot. So what you will need to do is, wait a minute, you will need to find your, wait a minute, your two wide wires, and they are from the controller, they control their speed. If you will lock the two wide wires with their couplers, then obviously they will connect your speed more lesser, and if you will open them, then obviously your speed will get increased. But we are using the switch, so I had to cut the coupler. But if you don't want to cut the coupler, then you can put the wires inside the coupler and then tape it. So I have taped it this two wires with black tape, I mean electric tape, and you can use any color wire. So let me tell it to you, you will be needing just a switch. Like this switch you can also use, or like this switch you can also use. Any switch you can use according to you, just they will have two wires and you need to connect them to the two wide wires. So why I am needing this red wire? Because I needed to extend it, the wires, because the switches wires were very small, that's why. So you need to do a extension of the wire and just connect them, and then your speed limit button is on, and then you can use it. Yes, the speed got increased. So this is how you can control your switch like this. So this was all for the today's video, and I hope that you all have liked. And this is not mandatory that you need to put this accelerator. If you are having a switch, then you can take a switch, you can put it here or anywhere you want, and then you can just do the same wiring as I have told you. Take the two wires of the switch and put them into the two wide wires. If the switch is not big enough, in means the switches wires are not big enough, then you can add a little bit of wires to it. Then you need to just put it into your two wide wires of the controller, which are the speed wires, two white wires. Okay, so bye guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.